Okay, today we did that one. I didn't do that one because there's no Post-it in it, but I'm not going to leave that looking all janky like that. I'll bend that back into shape. This one we did with, I'll check my notes what we did, but anyways, that one's in. This one, that one. Oh, they're starting to pull the Post-its off, but those are done upstairs. Oh, inside that balcony there's something. I didn't see that. That window's done. That was the last of the viable screens. And this is where we started building new. That's new, and there's 3 more around the corner that are new. And there's 3 that go into the back kitchen window. There's 3 that go into the back kitchen window. These all have new screens in them. Those will go in tomorrow, but those are all prepared. Just putting them in the window is all we have to do. Okay, so there's something on the balcony we have to figure out.